I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
So you don't know? Yeah man, are you man?
Yeah, put the pan there too.
Yeah man, real man. Yeah guys, so right now we are walking about on the beach, you know, and thing. Don't know some pass on and bridging them. See them here. Walk go up the road. Yeah man, so don't know. We are going to head out on the beach. Show you guys what's going on this morning. Don't know, say me and Papa there here. We are going to chef up something in the morning here. Yeah man, so you guys will see that when we reach my location and thing. Yeah man, for real. So you don't know. We walk go down here now. Yeah man, for real. Don't know. Papa there here. See you here and thing.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
See you here. Tony. Yeah man. So them are going to feed out. Meanwhile, we're going to deal with a one pot. See you here. So we are chef up some plantain and some jerk chicken foot. See you here. So we are carry you guys. We do it this morning. To you guys. See what I go on. Don't know. Papa there here. So see you here. Yeah man. Walk a go out. Yeah man. Don't know. Guys. And this morning so beautiful. Yeah man. So we know that you guys are gonna love the authentic cooking this morning. Jerk chicken with roast plantain in a file paper. Yeah guys. So just come with me and go and stay tuned and watch how I go on. We out here. Peace out. That is it. Yeah, check in them peeps on so I go on. That I go on. I video the journey by walking and go out. See a moyan thing. Yeah man. So I go on there. That I go on them peeps. Don't know. The sky looks so bright this morning. Yeah man. Really bright and nice. Don't know. Yeah man. That I go on now guys. So I show no. Yeah peeps, so see what I go on there. That I go on now. So just go and stay and watch what I go on. Don't know. Papa they out here so. Yeah, pleasant good morning to all of my viewers and my subscribers. So right now guys, me there fish pot, the fish pot there. See you here. So me I show you guys the fish pot. Yeah man, so right now, by later, I get some coconut in the pot. Same way that's the fish them can get it feed. So we catch some and thing. But just throw me I go up on an adventure that I go on man. So catch me up on the beach. Yeah guys, so right now, I go ahead on the beach now. Man, so just go and stay and watch how I go on. So I go on them people the road. Wet it bad. Yeah guys, so that a J-Bud baker. Out there good man. J-Bud the baker that na guys. Yeah man, so
Early morning, wash up.
you look like you can exercise.
Yeah, run my nose so.
That is it na guys, so you don't know so J-Bud the baker that. Same way. You go up on an adventure you know. Still. Yeah man, so big up the general all the time. Yeah man, the general walk go out, you know. And just go and stay and watch how I go on. Yeah, check in on my people. So right now, with the location this morning again. Yeah man, so you don't know, so I'm out here back on a new adventure, a river location. You guys must see here so already still. So right here so, I'm gonna do the cooking, same way. Jerk and roast plantain, same way. Right here so it all go on. Yeah man, so see the river here guys. The river so beautiful, really authentic in Jamaica. If you guys want to come and visit this river, Murphy can take you to this location. Don't know say the number out. See you with you guys. So you can check out the number, book on adventure when you want to come and thing, and we just all our vibes, you know.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
Don't know say we there a new location today. So I go on out on the ocean that now guys. Yeah man, don't know say me and Papa dey here today as well. So I go on water box and fish. Yeah man, Papa dey here so. See you there. Go and look out to sea. So just go and stay and watch how I go on. So right now we are getting this. Yeah, check in on my peeps. So right now, Papa get some stick, see him and thing. Don't know, so we are putting stick them at one place. Yeah man. So let's go on guys. Let's go on. Yeah man, for real. So don't know Papa there here so. Get up the stick them. Guys, we just put them one place and we just carry them in the bush. Same way. So we just show you guys when we look them. And don't know the ocean they over there so same way. And see. There's a really nice, beautiful, authentic look this morning. The man authentic cooking. But we are jerk some chicken foot. The deal with the season them from last night, make it re-marinate and thing, see you more. Yeah man, so you just go and stay and watch how I go on. That I go on peeps and so I go on. That I go on guys. Don't know. Come on. Look like we don't want them. I look so mad. We don't want them. Yeah guys, so don't know you guys. I see Papa from last year. Then I think with me. Don't know say on the camera. General see me, General hold the camera for me all the while. Record the video them and thing. Next one I go mostly help me. So you don't know, that one they probably can help me look some stick and thing. Meanwhile in my record some just go and stay. Go on here guys. Let go on. Let go on peeps. You don't know say General. I'm packing some stick here now and thing. Go on fire the here so. See you here. Active up. So just go and stay and watch how go on. Yeah, check in them peeps. So right now Papa getting some chip. See you here and thing. Yeah man. So we have enough stick. Show you guys what's going on. Yeah man, so you guys are gonna see the video well nice and thing. Yeah man, so big up to all our subscribers them out there and watch what go on. We always are doing a nature and thing. Yeah man, it's a nice look man. Don't know say Papa there here. Don't know say I have a car Raji with me too. But I don't know if you're interested still now, but I'm gonna take him for my team. And two of them are going here with me. Yeah man. Two of them are brothers see me, you know guys. Yeah man, so I don't know. I have to carry them with me. And I only just carry them with me alone. I make them build them channel. See me, you know. So after they around me, I make them have them channel and thing. Yeah, check in on my peeps right now. I get the bag full. Take out the chicken, put them out of it. Don't know, say them marinate from last night. This is what I go on. Season the bone. Yeah, put them on here, so. Come on. Go on. Let's go on my peeps. Here, so. Ice, so. Yeah, check in on the peeps. So right now, Papa can't catch the fire with the foam. So right now, I have to take it from it. I just the breeze are blowing now, guys. But breeze can't top with, you know. The man turn, the breeze can't top me. Yeah, peeps. So right now, the fire catch up on thing. See them here. We'll just show you guys what I've gone. Yeah, man. So we are making it go and burn down a little bit. Then we put on the chicken foot them. We go and soak out in the file paper. Man, so that have gone on peeps. So now I'll show you guys the chicken foot them. Yeah, man. So I go on there. But I go on them peeps. Don't know so Papa there here, so. You want to make sure the fire active up on the peeps. That I go on now. So you don't know. You have a chicken foot. They're over here, so. See them here. The man guys well soaked down. Don't know that I go on. Take a look on the chicken foot then guys. Now we have the Caesar. See them here, so. Yeah man, so see Caesar them here guys. Don't know. This are the call it say the gravy part.
Wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
Yeah, check in on peeps on the so I go on. Let I go on now. The man fire go and blaze up, you know. The man meanwhile, don't know. Great Papa there here, so. See him here. And thing. Yeah man. So, don't know say guys, we are 5 people. Don't know. Let I go on them peeps. The man chicken foot well soaked. Nice Caesar already and thing. So we are get them 5 people up, so just go and stay and watch how I go on. Yeah, check in on my peeps. So right now, Papa, I get in the chicken foot in the file paper. So we are wrap up everything. No, not start off yet. You see it's going. On, so. Guys, this is going to well marinate down and everything. Yeah, man. So right now we are get it wrap up. And put it on the fire, make it go and steam out, so we just go and steam and watch our ball. So we are get the plant now, deal with. Yeah man, so our ball there. That is it. Very nice. Yeah. Check in on my peeps, so I go on there. Don't know. I kind of popped it down a little bit still. Don't know say chicken foot I go and jerk. Soak out nice Caesar. Don't know so we marinate it from last night guys, cause just through we know so we come out here. We want the Caesar down to the bone. The man so when we are taste it, you can taste the Caesar in it. We soon start smell the aroma. Yeah man, we are pitch from it, see you here. Don't know. They're out here on the river today. Yeah peeps, that's what I go on here. Don't know, Papa, I get the plant now out of this skin, out of the jacket, see him here. With the finger I might use take it out and take out one already. Still, that's what I go on here. First me see man clean plant with the hand. But see there, man do it now. So, you know guys, that's what I go on. Yeah man, that I go on now. So me I go help him. So, I put up the phone on the tripod, so I just go and stay and watch what I go on. That I go on them peeps, so I go on there. Papa take them out quick and fast. So right now I have to help him. one just go and stay and watch how I go on. Yeah, check in on my peeps. So right now I'm there here, sir. I go and fill up the plant then. See them here. I'll cover for some of them. And can't do the whole of them. And take part in everything. So we are there. Yeah, check in on my peeps. I don't know. They're here. See them here on the river. Yeah, man. This is what I go on there. Just I go on there, guys. You don't know, say the chicken put them there, so see them here. I go and soak them. Meanwhile, Papa they over there, so I go and get the peel up and thing. Yeah, man. So that I go on there, guys. Really. You know. Come on, guys. So this. Yeah, guys, so right now, Papa, I'll get on the plantain, then pan it, see them here, and thing. So that I go on the peeps. Don't know. That I go on, guys. So we make them go and soak out. Meanwhile, we're here. I go and chill, you know. That is it. So that I go on, guys. So go and big up on yourself and go and stay tuned. Watch how I want without here, you know. That is it. Don't know, so I'm Papa out here. Come on. Let us go on now, guys. And I've been see Papa for a longer time. Don't know, say Papa one of my team member them. See him here. Don't know, say Rajim are going to think see him here. I'm going to be my next team member. Yeah, man, so I just want 2 persons to start off with. Then we see how we can get some more team members. We get them in the future. See him here. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, check in on my peeps. So right now, don't know, say the thing them done here now. So the jerk chicken foot done with the roast plantain. Here's a see here. Yeah, man, so right now, you know what we are going to do. We're going to max it out, you know, and thing, until you know it tastes, and things see here. But you don't know, like doing a 360, we're going for the food, see here and thing. Papa again as well, because Papa monetize and it really come out good and thing. Yeah, man, so big up yourself, Papa, once more. Yeah, man. So I just show you guys what's going on. Yeah, man, it's a nice look, man. Nah, tell no lie. So that go on the tips. Yeah, man, so what do you think about yourself now, Papa? You feel say you're a chef now, though? You're not a chef yet?
Still need more learning.
That is it. Now go on, guys. In general, saying still need more learning. So just go and stay tuned. Watch out, go on. We're out here.
Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
wait no longer. But we've been a wait and don't know say it done here now. So I'm just want big up yourself. Papa, you ready for it now though? Yeah man, general, you ready for it now. So I'm just want big up yourself guys. Yeah guys, so right now Papa, I go and max out the food done now and thing that I go on and teeth. So I go on there. Don't know what's up in the teeth you know. Man, that I go on there guys. I don't know. The noise stick up there still. Love how it turn out and thing. Come on, so big up to Papa all the time. And things see me. That's why I go on there.
Yeah, soft, we all a tear away.
Yeah guys, it's really soft. Huh? And just one big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, really lovely bud. Very nice and tell me how it tastes. How it tastes? Nice.
Yes, nice.
Yeah man, for real. So it's easy to your bone?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man guys, so you don't know so Papa. Going on feel so going on plant and tell me how it tastes. Well nice though. Yeah man, for real now guys, so don't know. Papa go and eat up and things still. Yeah man, that's what I want eh. Yeah man, that a go on guys. Really nice, you know. No, you guys must have love this and say what? Murphy, we should have there to get some. We should have there, yes?
Warm up stuff, you know. Right, I'm not going to grab. Tell me it is. Go move, look. No, there's a great deal of guys. Go out here. We are going to do something. Yeah, guys. Go out here, you know.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And go and watch what I want. They out here, you know. That is it. You touch out, you know. Peace out.
I don't wanna keep